guys, so today's video is actually not gonna be a fun one. I actually hate that I have to film this video. Something was just telling me, girl, you need to talk about the topic. Even though you don't have a lot of subscribers, I don't have the biggest following, but I feel like I should talk about the topic. I feel like no one else has pointed this out on YouTube ever. This video is gonna be about Black beauty gurus or Black beauty YouTubers, and how they're just not appreciated in this space, in this YouTube community, or in the social media community, period. One thing that I do want to say, this is not a diss to like any of the YouTubers I'm gonna mention. I love everyone. These are all YouTubers. I've watched every single person on this list. I've watched their videos, like every single person. I like them. I don't have anything wrong. I'm not saying anything to anyone's character. I'm just saying what I observed based on information that I've gathered. I really like YouTube. I really love YouTube, and that is why I chose to make a channel. And now I see that YouTube doesn't really love me back, so I'm shedding light on it. I believe if you really put in the work, there is no excuse. I believe if you really do the time, there is no excuse. But there is, first, let's just say this, Black women have it hard, like period. Like Black women, being Black and being a woman, you have it hard. If anyone try to argue with me, go ahead, try. But that doesn't mean that we're gonna be victims, and that doesn't mean that we're weak. That doesn't mean that we're not as strong as other people. That just says we gotta work extra harder to be seen, to get out there. We have to work double time, and we usually do. I made a list and I researched Black beauty YouTubers. So I researched, and a lot of them I didn't really have to research because I've known them for years. So basically what my gripe is that Black beauty YouTubers are not being pushed. They're not being supported as much as the other beauty YouTubers. Even the girls that are my skin tone and darker, girls that are my skin tone and darker don't get that much love. And you might be saying, girl, what about this YouTuber? What about that YouTuber? I bet you 10 times out of 10, they are not my skin tone or darker. If they are Black, they're of a lighter shade. And this is just real. Like, and I might get a lot of flack for this, but like I don't really care because this is real. Like, I'm not lying about anything that I'm saying. Right now, as of today, this is how much like subscribers and videos and stuff like that these Black beauty gurus have. I'm talking about the very top YouTubers, so 1 million plus. I'm not gonna be talking about like small YouTubers. I'll mention them just to like prove sort of my point, but I'm not really gonna be talking about them so much because that's just not my point. As of today, Patricia Bright and Jackie Aina are the Black beauty YouTubers that have the most subscribers. Just to let you guys gauge how much work they've put in. And I know how hard it is to make a video. If you guys don't know, YouTube videos are hard, especially beauty videos. So putting this effort into a video, every video, I commend every single one of their videos. And I'll just tell you this. Jackie Aina has 2 million subscribers, right? But she has done 755 videos. With the exception of Tati Westbrook, I don't know anyone else who has like done that much videos. Nikki Tutorials comes in close to about 653 videos, but she has, wait, is this even right? She has 9 million subscribers. She's, out of all of these YouTubers, she has been on YouTube for the longest, and she only has 2 million. Not to say how Carly Bible has only been on YouTube since 2011 and she has 5 million subscribers. She only has 468 videos. And also Laura Lee, who has been on YouTube since 2009. This is a very long time to be on YouTube. She has 4 million though, and she's only done 300 YouTube videos. So how is it that Jackie Aina has done 755 videos since 2006 and she only has 2 million subscribers? Now, Patricia Bright has done 605 videos and she has 2 million subscribers, but she's been on YouTube since 2009, since very, very long, about the same time as Laura Lee, but Laura Lee has surpassed her subscriber count. Now, a lot of stuff might go into it. Like, Laura Lee had that collab with that makeup brand. Patricia Bright is not, her YouTube is not just makeup. It's mostly like fashion, like, you know, so a lot of different things go into it, but she's still in the beauty realm. Now I'm gonna name some YouTubers that are my skin tone or darker, some of the top YouTubers that are my skin tone or darker. And I'm not saying that these are the only YouTubers that are my skin tone or darker. I'm just saying these are the most popular. When I search and do the research, these are the most popular. So at number 1 is Jackie Aina, then it's Patricia Bright, then like after this is no real order. It's Peak Mill, Johnny Jenkins, Shalom Block, CK does really nice videos, the Glam Twins, Too Much Mouth, Nima Tang. Now, that's it. Like, that's it. That's all I have on this list. People might be saying, like, what are you talking about? Like, there's a bunch of other black beauty gurus. There's Makeup Shayla, there's Dollface Beauty, there's Vicky Logan, there's Raven Elise, there's Aaliyah J, there's Alyssa Ashley, there's Yanni Rose, there's It's My Ray Ray, there's Alyssa Forever, there's Face Over Matter, Tiara Watkins, Lakia Starr. All of these girls are like of lighter skin tones. And I'm not saying that it's easier for them, or I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that there are dark skin beauty gurus. They're just not in the light. Why? I have no idea, because we do the work. We do the work. We're here. We have the skill. Like, it's not like we don't have as much skill as them, or we're not as pretty as them. We're very beautiful. We're very good at what we do. It's just, I feel like we're not being recognized. But this list has just like, I don't know, it just made me feel weird, like really looking at it and seeing, this is just crazy, guys. Aaliyah J has 1 million subscribers. She's only been on YouTube since 2011, but that's a very long time to be on YouTube. She's only done 193 videos. So for her to have half of the amount that Jackie Aina has, when Jackie Aina has done 755 videos since 2006, that's a big difference. Now, yeah, that might be one person. But then again, Alyssa Ashley has only been on YouTube since 2014. She's only done 188 videos, and she has half of what Jackie Aina has. Now, at the rate they're going, you can just see the rate. Obviously, they have grown faster than Jackie Aina. Are they more talented than Jackie Aina? That is all an opinion. Me, I feel like Jackie Aina is just as talented as them. So I really don't see an excuse for it. Now I'm gonna do some comparisons against YouTubers of other races. Now, with the exception of Tati Westbrook, because Tati Westbrook, she does videos every single day. So I'm surprised she doesn't have more subscribers than she does. Why are people not taking a like towards Jackie Aina and Patricia Bright as much as these other YouTubers? And the only difference I see is their skin tone. I don't see any difference. I don't see any lack of talent. I don't see any lack of work effort. I don't see any lack of time and possibility. I don't see that. And I can't blame them, because I see them doing the work, putting in the work. And now, even as we're growing as a community, I want to shout out one thing. I want to shout out Nima Tang, and I want to shout out Too Much Mouth, because these are YouTubers that are darker skinned than me, and they've shot up the YouTube ranks by doing good quality videos, staying consistent, and doing good content. So I really shout out to you guys, because it is hard. Nima Tang has 500K. She has 500,000, and it's well deserved, because she works a lot for her videos. She like pops out videos like this, you know. So I'm not saying that it's not deserved, that it doesn't happen. don't know why it doesn't happen as much. Why did it take for 2018 to come for this to start happening? Do you get what I'm saying? I want to change that. Like, I wish, not even just for myself, just because me going on YouTube, do you see my options that I had? And most of these people are new. Before, when I just got on YouTube, all I had was Jackie Ina, Patricia Bright, Peak Mill, Jenny Jenkins. She had a different name back then, but these are the only people I had, and the rest of the girls were like not my skin tone, and I couldn't really like identify with them. You know what I mean? I couldn't use the products that they were using. I couldn't do the things that they were doing with their skin because my black skin is very, very different. So it's just, I feel like we need to support black YouTubers more. We need to support them harder. We need to click the subscribe button. Not even just subscribers is not the world. I understand that subscribers is not the world. I understand that it's YouTube. I understand that it's just makeup. But to some people, it's not just makeup. To some people, this is a living. For Jackie Ina, you can't tell her those 755 videos was just makeup, was just YouTube. No, that was just hard ass work. Okay, that was just hard ass work. And I see this I see this in working in the makeup industry as well. Like, me working in the makeup industry, someone who looks different than me, even dresses different than me, can move up faster than me, not because they're more talented than me, but we can be at the same talent level, but just because they look a certain way. And this is no secret to society that black women are devalued and underrated. Like, this is no secret, but I don't like it, and that's why I'm making a video about it, because I don't want to just sit here and not do a video on it. Now, once again, I want to put emphasis on, if you are a black YouTuber of a lighter skin tone, I'm not saying that you did not deserve your subscribers. I'm not saying that you didn't work as hard. I'm just saying that if you got that, why shouldn't they get it? Let everyone get a fair piece of cake. That's what I'm saying. I think I said all I had to say. So if you are going to share this video, share because you want to support the black woman in this business. And also comment below your favorite black YouTuber. But yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.